What if you lived in the times of the Crusades? What will you see? You will see people, a group of people, different nationalities, different language, but united under one religious symbol, supported by a superpower. They invade your land. They claim that your land is theirs in the name of their holy book. They claim they are God's people, God's chosen people, and they have historic and religious rights over your own land. You watch as they take the land away from you. You watch in horror as thousands of children, women, men are being killed around you. And you ask, can we do something? You go to the Muslim rulers that were supposed to protect you, but you feel very frustrated as you see they decide to do nothing. In return, they decide to sign treaties and they decide to normalize with the invaders. You ask, I want to do something. This is wrong. I don't know what to do. You turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with tears and sincere dua. Ya Rabb, please send a new generation that liberates the oppressed and returns the land back to its rightful owners. Sounds familiar?